Hi friends, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to describe about what are the rules to identifiers. Rules to identifier. Before proceeding in today's session, let's have a brief idea about what we have discussed in the last class. What we have discussed in the last class. So I'm going to share the content which we have discussed in the last class. In the last class, we have discussed about limitations of Python. What are the limitations? Performance-wise, not up to the mark because it is an interpreted language. Because it is an interpreted language. What is an interpreted language? Interpreted language runs without compilation. Without compilation. That's why it will take some time to execute the program. That is a one limitation of the Python. And second limitation is it's not suitable for mobile applications. It is not suitable for mobile applications. Why? Because most of the Python developers will use Python for developing web applications. Okay, like Flipkart, Amazon, Instagram. Okay, whatever language, whatever the web application is, they used to design with Python. They used to design with Python or Java, but now in the present scenario, in present situations, most of them are using Python instead of Java. Okay. So next, we are discussing about language fundamentals. What are the language fundamentals? First one is identifier. Identifier is nothing but an name in the Python program. That may be a variable name or module name or function name. That may be a module name, function name or variable name. What is function? Function is nothing but a group of lines. Group of lines. And what is module? Group of functions. Group of functions. Next, what is package? Group of modules. And what then? Library. Library is nothing but a group of packages. Till this we have discussed in the last class how to define a variable. I mean how to give a variable. This is the variable name. This is the define a function. This is to define a function. The function name here is f. Okay. Okay, and this is the name of the class. Here we are going to give class. Class name is test. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about rules to define identifiers. Rules to define identifiers. Okay, now I am going to write that what are the rules we have. We are going to describe. Rules to define identifiers. What are the rules? The identifier should start with which should contain. First, I'm going to write here. Identifier should contain alphabets, digits, or underscore symbol. alphabets, digits, or underscore symbol. Here I am going to write that one. Identifiers should contain any one of the following. Any one of the following. Okay. So anyone means, I mean, here I have specified that anyone. Anyone means it contains anyone, not and must and should contain all these. Okay. First, we need to give what it should contain. It should contain alphabets. That is maybe a small a to z or capital A to Z. Next, it may contain digits. That means numbers that from 0 to 9. Next, it also contain underscore. Underscore symbol. Okay. So these are the rules to define a identifier. Okay. Next. So shall we try this by using ideally? Okay. Now I had open ideally. So we try to just by giving these uh, alphabets or digits or underscores. Okay, first of all I am going to give alphabets, that is a to z. So here I am going to give small a equal to 10, whether it is taking or not. Okay, taking, accepted. If it is not accepted, then it will show an error. Okay, next, digits will not accept. Yeah, as I told, digits will not accept. But I will tell you about the why it is not accepting digits. But here we said that it is also take it can also take digits. But here digits are not accepted. But I will tell you the reason. Next, we will try with the underscore. Underscore it will accept. So here underscore is accepted, but digits are not accepted. Why? Because we have to specify another role. To understand this, we need to specify another role. First rule is identifier should contain any one of these following. Okay, we have tried with these three, but digits are not accepted. Keep in remember that digits are not accepted. Why? Because here we are going to you are going to know why it is not taking digits. But why we have specified that it contains numbers. Okay. Identifier should not starts with. There is some rules and regulations for identifiers. Start with digits. That's why it is not accepting the digits. That's why it is not accepting the digits. What is the reason? Identifier should not starts with digits. Okay, we will try this also. And example, for the example of this is, so here I am going to give 100 a equal to 300. Okay, is it valid or invalid? It will not valid. It will not valid because the rule is identifier should not start with the digits. Let's try. 100 a equal to 300. Okay, is it accept or not? It will not accept. Okay, syntax error. Then how it will accept the digits? That is, if you want to understand that, then we need to take another example. That is a 100 equal to same number 300. For understanding purpose, I am taking the same number. If I take another number, you may get confused that it is not accepting 300. It will accept any other numbers. For removing that confusion, I am taking the same digits. Let's try. It will whether it will accept or not. Yeah, 100 a we tried. It is not accepted. Then let's try a 100 equal to 300. It will accept or not? It will accept. It will accept because the identifier rule is identifier should not start with the digits. So here we have started the identifier name from digits, but here we have given identifier name that starts with the alphabets. So let's try with the capital letter a 100 equal to, for suppose I am taking 400. Whether it will accept or not? It will accept. It will accept because we can start alphabets with whether it may be a small alphabets or it may be a capital alphabets, but should not start with the digits. So if we give like that, then it will give like this. And here 100 a equal to, here also same 100 input we have given. Here we have changed the input, so it is invalid and it is valid. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. If you have any doubts regarding this session or any previous sessions, please comment below, and keep updated with we keep connected with this channel. I will try to upload the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.